Shiba Inu is down 6.5%. Is this your time to load up on some SHIB? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Omar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Shiba Inu, what you should buy or not. A bunch of crazy things going on in the crypto market, guys, and also a bunch of things just going on in general news. Donald Trump's getting arrested. First, he's an advocate for crypto, and now they're sending his ass to jail. What the heck is going on? Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, do make sure you smash that subscribe button as you can stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news. As we are seeing Shiba Inu token down about 7% on the day. In terms of the week, we're up a whopping 6%. And in terms of the month, we are around up about 8-ish%, which is not too shabby. What is going on with Shiba Inu? With all these crazy things going on in the market, how high is Shiba Inu going to go? Is the ideal time to load up? Let's talk about it. Before we go into that, I do want to share this project that's currently on pre-sale right now that's going absolutely insane, and it's called PlayDoge. It's a brand new project, guys, and it's already raised over $500,000. This project is looking pretty legit. Not only is it looking legit, guys, and in 1 day and 7 hours, they're going to raise the price. So if you buy it now, you're potentially getting at the lowest opportunity cost, which is absolutely insane. But what is this PlayDoge? Well, the best play-to-earn Doge companion game. PlayDoge is a mobile-based play-to-earn game that transforms the iconic Dogecoin meme into a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet. Embrace the 90s nostalgia by PlayDoge tokens in the pre-sale to enjoy the classic 2D adventure and earn on your crypto. You start your PlayDoge adventure, download the PlayDoge game, which is coming soon. So it's a play to earn game around the Doge theme. Guys, we've been seeing a ton of success with these Doge themed tokens. Even on this channel, we're covering Dogeverse for quite some time now. That's currently still in pre-sale. Pre-sale is actually ending very soon, and they raised over $15 million, which is absolutely insane. Now, I'm not saying necessarily that this new PlayDoge is going to also hit $15 million, but the fact of the matter is it has that possibility. These Doge themed tokens seem to do well, and also when it has an interesting utility, and in this case the play to earn feature, it could give you that extra edge that the project needs. It's been featured in a ton of different articles. They have an about tab. PlayDoge is a mobile game that integrates the legendary Tamagotchi virtual pet concept into the new digital economy of crypto. So again, care for your Doge, and I guess you're gonna earn tokens for it. The UI look is pretty clean, like a Mario style / Tamagotchi style put together with a Doge theme. Very clean website. We can see a solid 4-phase map, which is absolutely looking solid. I'm gonna link this in the description below if you want to load up and bag. Again, like always, not financial advice. We see even over on X less than 1,000 followers, so it's that brand new. This one could absolutely crush it. But let's go back to Shiba Inu and take a look at what's going on with the price. As it's up, it's down. Is this a time to load up on Shiba Inu? There's a ton of interesting things happening. So first of all, over on their X, we could see they're back to posting memes, which is great. We see rise with domination, SHIB army, another day, another chance to transform your destiny with SHIB. Just getting the community rallied up. Ready for your weekly SHIB fix. The latest SHIB magazine is out now. You can see the SHIB magazine. So it's basically almost like the Wall Street or like the Times News. We can see the SHIB community, future, tech, and fun. All eyes on Wall Street, and we can see this SHIB style magazine. So we can see the SHIB magazine 26th edition. So it looks like they're putting out regular magazines. Claim your free cover NFT for the first 3,000 users. So again, the first 3,000 users are going to get a reward with a special NFT. This is basically incentivizing people to start reading the magazine early, turn notifications on, which is great. We see Shiba Inu dramatic surge, meme sensation quest for Wall Street glory. A new contender has emerged from the shadows of meme culture to challenge the titans of finance in a bustling digital metropolis of the internet. Shiba Inu, once a playful element of the crypto whims, now strides with confidence as a beast awakens. Its eyes are set to the gleaming spires of Wall Street. Looks like Wall Street is trying to get into the mix of Shiba Inu, and it's a clean article, a clean platform to just add more utility. Now again, utility, not necessarily the most important aspect of a meme coin, but it definitely adds to a project, and having that extra layer of utility, and in this case, that extra news, is something that could be great for the overall project, as it's going to bring readers in, bring investors back into the Shiba Inu network. Now with most meme coins, they're very active on X, posting memes, engaging with the community, doing giveaways, airdrops. SHIB is far past that, so much bigger, the whole SHIBarium, SHIB army, K9 finance, but this new, the SHIB, could be that extra element to just bring it back to the community, right? Which is something I definitely like to see. Even looking at technical analysis are looking pretty solid. Oscillators are in buy, moving averages in strong buy, overall summary giving us a buy as well. Things are starting to look very interesting with Shiba Inu, and again, people are starting to load up. Shiba Inu coming back in the news. This may spark a fresh uproar in Shiba Inu as prices are breaking out. Shiba Inu forms golden cross on hourly charts. Shiba Inu has outperformed Bitcoin 2024, which is crazy to say the least. A lot of exciting things going on in the crypto realm, guys, and we are here to enjoy it all, especially with what's going on with Donald Trump. I'm really interested to see how this plays out and what this means for the overall crypto market. That pretty much wraps up the video, guys. Like always, is not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know what you guys are thinking about Shiba Inu, what's going on next, and also let me know what you guys think about PlayDoge. Are you gonna load up a bag? If you are, let me know in the comment section below. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.